Today we're gonna look at the new Converges that I bought. Actually, these are not new, just I bought them new. So, we will check Freedom, Strike Freedom, Tallgeese, and Tallgeese 3. There's no Tallgeese 2 for Converge. Next up is the Hazel Gundam with the fully armor. I don't know what this is called. Just I call it full armor because there's a lot of armor on it. Okay, without further ado, let's start with Tallgeese and with the unboxing of Tallgeese 3. Okay, I'm done with the very easy assembly. Let's start with Tallgeese 3. There we go. Many changes. If you notice, Tallgeese 3 has a black base, but Tallgeese 1 doesn't. I'll show you later. So that's Tallgeese 3. One more spin. Wow. Okay. Here. Tallgeese 1 doesn't have a black base but transparent. Oh, good detail on the shield. And then the booster compared to the booster of Tallgeese 3, not open. Here's open. And so the big difference now. Okay. There you go. Tallgeese 3. I mean Tallgeese 1. I think it's much better if it's open on the back booster. There's more details on it. Okay, so that's Tallgeese 1. Alright, here we go. Freedom. This is Freedom. Not much detail on the shield and the back. Some engravings there. Ooh. Okay, that is Freedom. Okay, next, Strike Freedom. You know, guys, I think if it's the bigger version of it, that's why it has a black base, just like with the Tallgeese 3. But the Freedom and Tallgeese 1 doesn't have a black base. Maybe because it is smaller in size? I don't know. Which do you guys think is better? The Freedom or the Strike Freedom? Me! I'm better! Alright. Let's go to the first Hazel. I don't know why it's called Hazel. Hazel. Kind of like a girl's name. What do you think? Hazel-chan. Nani o shitemasu ka? Nani mo na desu. Okay. There's a hole here top, and then the side as well. So I think there could be some optional parts for this. I'm not too sure. Leave a comment, guys, if you know. So this is the Titans version. Typically it's the same thing, just the color is different. It's the same thing. Oh, why you keep moving there? Yeah, I think Bandai is just playing with us. Alright, let's change the color, call it Titans. And then fans like us, wow, a new Gundam, let's get this. And the fully armored Hazel. Yes. Somebody told Hazel, your boyfriend is out with another woman. I mean, with another man. So, Alright, grab all equipment, prepare to tackle. There you go. Hazel. Okay. Put that there. So again, side by side, strike freedom and freedom. Here we go. Here we have the Tolgis 3 and Tolgis 1. And oops, too far from each other. The Hazel Titans and fully armor Hazel, I guess. There you go. Yo guys, thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to put a like there. And again, I don't know how to edit, so this is just raw video again. Take care guys. Bisaya in Japan.